Wow! We're finally at the beach! Time for some fun and learning. Look at all this beautiful sand and the big blue ocean. What should I do first? Time to say hello to the ocean. The water feels so cool on my toes. I know! Let's build the biggest, best sandcastle ever right here. First, I need my trusty bucket and shovel, ready to dig. Let's fill the bucket with wet sand to make a strong base. Push it down. Ta-da! My first sand tower. Now, let's make some more for our castle. A castle needs decorations. I'll find some pretty shells and pebbles. My sandcastle is finished. It looks amazing with all the shells. Time to say hello to the ocean. The water feels so cool on my toes. What other treasures can I find? Maybe a special seashell for my collection. Huh? Oh, wow! Look at this little starfish. It has 5 arms. Starfish live in the ocean. We should always put them back gently. Look! A little crab. It's walking sideways. Isn't that silly? The crab dug a hole to hide in. That's its cozy home in the sand.
Splash, splash, splash. The water feels so nice and cool on a sunny day.
What a beautiful smooth pebble. It's so many different colors. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Learning is fun, even at the beach. Hello, Mr. Seagull. Are you enjoying the beach too? Want a pretend cookie? It's yummy. We can share. Oh, look! The water is coming closer to my castle. The tide is rising. Goodbye, beautiful beach. Goodbye, little castle. I had so much fun. Time to pack up my things. I'll take all these happy memories home. What a wonderful day of playing and learning. I cannot wait to tell everyone. It was a perfect beach adventure. See you next time, ocean friends.